If you've been feeling stuck in the mud, overwhelmed, or in overdrive, or simply disconnected from the abundance life has to offer, I might have just the thing for you. My name is Sarah Vie, and I am beyond excited to introduce you to my new book, The Sacred Plate Recipes for Abundant Living. For many years, I was caught in that vicious cycle of stress and scarcity, really missing out on all the beauty life had to offer me. I found myself, like many others, filling up from everything outside of me rather than infusing all the parts within. If you're struggling with feelings of lack, of stress, or disconnection, it's time to shift your mindset, fuel your powerful center, and reawaken your spirit. In Sacred Plate, I shine a light on intentional living through mindful practices. Including eating, this book combines ancient principles with practical advice to help you transform your life by reconnecting with your senses and shifting from scarcity to abundance. Imagine replacing the anxiety and fatigue you feel with a sense of groundedness and vitality. Each chapter focuses on how specific foods, reflections, and even colors resonate with our energy centers, helping to restore balance and harmony. Through some of my personal stories and spiritual guidance, The Sacred Plate will show you how to nurture yourself in ways that go way beyond just eating. You'll learn how to use every sensory experience to cultivate a more fulfilling and abundant life. This book is designed for those who feel overwhelmed, disconnected, or if you are just ready for a change. By engaging deeply with your senses and embracing the principles of intentional living, you'll find new ways to align your inner and outer worlds. Don't let stress and scarcity define your life any longer. Let the Sacred Plate guide you towards a richer, more abundant existence where each meal and moment are opportunities for transformation. Like I said before, I am beyond excited for you to embark on this journey with me. And together, we can turn every meal into a celebration of abundance and reconnect with the joy and fulfillment that is waiting for you. Thank you so much.